Hello, everyone. I have some exciting news to share with you. I am planning a betrayal trauma retreat. It's called Beneath the Silence Retreat in Ontario, Canada, Aurelia, Ontario, Canada, in September 2026. And it will be 4 nights, 3 full days, leaving on the fourth day after breakfast. Information is in the description as well as in the post here. Um, it is going to be a clinically guided betrayal trauma healing experience, and that's what we're going to focus on is the healing designed to restore safety, identity, and self-connection. And what can you expect? It's not a typical wellness retreat. I don't edit these videos. Okay. A wellness retreat. It is a clinically guided betrayal trauma healing experience, a safe space to reconnect with yourself, a nervous system reset space, and it's going to be structured and supported recovery, immersion. And it's going to be through workshops, group support, and some activities that we'll do together that will be fun and according to the theme of the day. If you have any questions, please reach out to me at sandy@sandrajoy.ca. We're limited to very small group, 10 to 12 people max. I'm hoping to keep it around that 10, especially for the first retreat. Hope to see you in September, and please reach out, send me an email if you have any questions. I look forward to seeing you. Thank you.